After consulting with our vet, I carefully integrated these into Max's routine. For his cough, I found that a small amount of honey worked as a natural soother. I was cautious though, due to its high sugar content, only giving it to him as it was safe for his health. Rest was another crucial component of Max's recovery. Our usual jogging sessions were replaced with more rest and shorter, gentler walks to accommodate his low energy levels. To make him extra comfortable, I added a pet-safe heating pad to his sleeping area, which seemed to help with his congestion and made him more relaxed. Through these natural soothers and ensuring adequate rest, I saw gradual improvements in Max's condition.